So you just got a new Tacoma and you need to put a bed cover on. Here at Truck Access Plus, we specialize in truck bed protection. This is a 2022 Tacoma with a BAKFlip hard folding cover. This cover will fit a 2016 to 2022 Tacoma 5-foot bed. It's locked in this position. So you lower the tailgate and pull straight down on the latch. There's one on each side, so you get the full bed access. Now the BAKFlip comes with a lowering track kit, so you can still use the tie downs that comes with the truck. There's no drilling required. It's a clamp-on installation that takes tops 1 hour. Now the drain tubes on the BAKFlip are optional on the Tacoma because drilling is required. This customer chose to just leave them. They're good to add for water drainage, but if you don't want any holes in the truck, you can leave them hanging like this. Now this cover is aluminum. It's gonna give you a good peace of mind for security, style. It's sleek. This is one of the best options for the Tacoma. We stock them at Truck Access Plus. We install them in 1 hour here in Phoenix, or we can ship it to you if you're calling from out of state. We have a good website with a lot of information. Call us, Truck Access Plus. We'll help you today.